I'm opening your present. If I can open it, it looks pretty intense. Oh no, I'm scared. Parker was telling me about this.
Record yourself. Is it Pride and Prejudice and Zombies?
Yeah. Is that what you were wondering what my favorite book was? Anyway. That is really funny. Have you seen the cover? Alrighty. This is good. I need a new book to read. Thanks.